The Great Barrier Reef is a living wonder of the world, a sprawling underwater city bustling with life and brimming with vibrant colours. Stretching over 1,400 miles along the northeast coast of Australia, it is home to an extraordinary diversity of marine species, many of which can only be found in its waters. Each of these animals plays a unique role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. From the tiniest creatures hiding among the corals to the majestic giants gliding through open waters, the reef is a living testament to nature's ingenuity. One of the most recognizable residents of the reef is the clownfish. With their vivid orange and white coloring, these small fish are not just visually striking, but also fascinating in their behavior. They live in a mutualistic relationship with sea anemones, whose stinging tentacles protect the clownfish from predators. In return, the clownfish provide food scraps and keep the anemone clean. This remarkable partnership allows both species to thrive in an environment where competition for survival is fierce. The clownfish's life cycle, which includes the ability to change sex, further illustrates the adaptability of life on the reef. Swimming silently through the reef's waters is the reef shark, a sleek and efficient predator that helps maintain the ecosystem's health. These sharks primarily feed on fish and invertebrates, keeping populations in balance and preventing overgrazing of algae and coral by herbivorous species. Despite their fearsome reputation, reef sharks are generally shy and pose little threat to humans. They are a vital part of the food chain, their presence signaling a healthy, functioning ecosystem. The decline of these apex predators due to overfishing and habitat destruction underscores the importance of protecting them. Another iconic resident of the reef is the green sea turtle. These ancient creatures have roamed the oceans for over 100 million years, yet their role in the reef remains as crucial as ever. Grazing on seagrass and algae, green sea turtles prevent these plants from overgrowing and choking the coral. Their long migrations, often spanning thousands of miles, are a marvel of instinct and endurance. Watching a green sea turtle glide effortlessly through the water is a humbling reminder of the interconnectedness of marine life and the challenges these creatures face due to pollution, climate change, and habitat loss. Hidden among the corals is the cuttlefish, one of the reef's most intelligent and versatile inhabitants. With their ability to change color, texture, and even shape, cuttlefish can blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making them masters of camouflage. This remarkable skill allows them to evade predators, communicate with one another, and ambush their prey. Beyond their physical abilities, cuttlefish are known for their intelligence, capable of problem-solving and learning from their environment. They are a living example of the extraordinary adaptations that life on the reef has developed over millions of years. At first glance, the sea cucumber may not seem as exciting as some of the reef's other inhabitants, but its role in the ecosystem is indispensable. These slow-moving creatures act as the reef's cleanup crew, feeding on organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the environment. By breaking down waste material, sea cucumbers help maintain the water quality and ensure the health of the reef. Their presence is a reminder that every organism, no matter how humble, plays a critical role in the balance of nature. In the open waters above the reef, manta rays glide with an almost otherworldly grace. Despite their massive size, with wingspans that can exceed 20 feet, manta rays are gentle filter feeders, consuming plankton and small fish as they swim. Their movements are hypnotic, a ballet of motion that adds to the reef's magic. Manta rays also serve as indicators of ocean health, and their migratory patterns connect the reef to the greater marine environment. Efforts to protect these creatures highlight the broader importance of safeguarding ocean ecosystems. Closer to the coral itself is the parrotfish, a brightly coloured species that is vital to the reef's health. Parrotfish feed on algae that grow on coral, preventing it from overgrowing and suffocating the reef. In the process, they also produce sand by grinding coral with their strong beaks and excreting it, contributing to the formation of beaches. This dual role as both gardener and builder underscores the parrotfish's importance in maintaining the reef's delicate balance. Their decline in some areas due to overfishing is a stark warning of how human activity can disrupt this balance. Among the coral structures, the lionfish stands out with its striking appearance and lethal capabilities. Adorned with long, venomous spines, lionfish are both beautiful and deadly. They are efficient predators, using their elaborate fins to herd and trap prey before striking with lightning speed. While native to the Indo-Pacific, lionfish have become an invasive species in other regions, wreaking havoc on local ecosystems. Their role in the reef highlights the fine line between harmony and imbalance in marine environments. The giant clam, a true living treasure of the reef, is another marvel of adaptation. These enormous mollusks can weigh up to 500 pounds and live for over a century. Their colourful mantles host symbiotic algae, which produce energy through photosynthesis. In turn, the clams offer the algae protection and nutrients. This mutually beneficial relationship is a microcosm of the cooperation that defines life on the reef. Giant clams also provide habitat for other marine organisms, further enhancing their ecological importance. Finally, the Crown-of-Thorns Starfish represents both the resilience and fragility of the reef. This spiny predator feeds on coral polyps, and in small numbers it helps promote coral diversity by preventing any single species from dominating. However, outbreaks of crown-of-thorns starfish, often driven by human-induced changes such as nutrient pollution, can devastate vast areas of coral. Efforts to manage these outbreaks are critical in preserving the reef's health and resilience. The Great Barrier Reef is more than just a collection of species. It is a living network of relationships and interactions that has evolved over millennia. Each of these 10 animals, from the smallest clownfish to the largest manta ray, contributes to the intricate balance that makes the reef one of the most extraordinary ecosystems on Earth. Protecting this natural wonder is not just about saving individual species, but about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains them, and ultimately, us.